Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this video, I want to show you the only code you need in 2026 for all live sports on your Android TV, TV box, Google TV, or any device that has an Android operating system. If you find the video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share for more important videos like this. So I'll repeat this again. This is going to be compatible with any device that has an Android operating system. That means Android TV, TV box, or Google TV. So if you have a device that doesn't have the Android operating system, then I'm sorry, this might not work for you, or this might not be compatible with you. So I'm referring to devices like Hisense Smart TV, the Samsung Smart TV. Some of these smart TVs doesn't allow side loading, so this is not going to work. Alright, so if you're a football fan or any sport fan, then the code I'm about to show you is the only code you're going to need throughout 2026 if you want to watch sports. Now, I am using my Android TV box here. I am using a mouse to navigate on my Android TV box. So if you have a TV box, you can always navigate your TV box with your mouse. I can also use the remote, like I'm currently using the remote. The remote takes a lot of time to navigate, so I recently discovered that I could use my mouse, like a computer mouse, to navigate on my Android TV box. So I am currently using my mouse, and also I am screen recording if you have noticed. So that's for more quality videos for those of you who have been following my YouTube channel since last year. So anyway, that's it. Let's get into business. So as I said, this is for live sports applications on your Android TV, TV box, or Google TV. So on your TV box, here's mine. I'm using the same TV box. You can check the description of this video if you want it. On your TV box, go over to your browser. Now, since this is an Android operating system or a device an Android operating system, you can go over to your browser or Google browser and install any application from the Google Play Store. And the reason I'm going to my browser is because I want to install the downloader application. The downloader application is one we're going to use to get the code, or use the code to get the apps on an Android device. So I am just going to quickly type in the downloader application over here, as you can see me type. So if you are using your remote, this can be quite difficult, but since I'm using my mouse, it's quite easier for me. But anyway, here's the download application. So any Android device or any TV box or Android TV, if you go over to this option over here that says the Google Play Store or the app on Google Play, you'll be able to install the application to your Android TV. Please, I repeat this because I always get people confusing and they're telling me that this doesn't work. I repeat, this is only going to work for any device with an Android operating system. So if you have the Samsung Smart TV with a Tizen operating system, or if you have Hisense with a Vida operating system, or LG with a Webos operating system, this is not going to work. So this only works because I'm using an Android TV box. If you need an Android TV box, check the description of this video. There is a link that I've attached to this TV box I'm currently using. It's called Slim TV box. You might like it. Check it. If you like it, you can get a piece for yourself. It is very, very affordable, and it has lots of features that I really love about this TV box. But anyways, I just wanted to clarify that before we continue. So once you're here, what you need to do is just click on this option over here, and the application is going to bring you to the Google Play option where you can install the downloader to your application or to your Android TV. So to install downloader is simple. Just go over here, click on install. Please don't mind the mobile interfaces you're seeing here. As long as your device is an Android operating system, this is going to work even if it's a mobile interface you are seeing here. So just click install, and the application is going to start installing to your Android TV, TV box, or Google TV, whatever option you are using. So just give it a couple of seconds for the application to install, and then we can go ahead and use it. So here's the download application. It is completely installed. Now what you need to do is just return home or close your browser. Now as I said, this is the same TV box I'm using. It has some features. You have live TVs. You can have videos on demand. So if you check it out, just click the link in the description, and trust me, you're going to see some things that you will love about this. Anyway, let's continue on that video. So as you go back to downloader, this hard downloader box. If you've never used downloader before, the way downloader works is that you go over to this box over here and you type in a code. It could be a numbers or it could be alphabets. So if you type in a code, that code is going to link you to a website or to a page or to an application on the internet that somebody is hosting. Like for instance, in this case, I'm going to type in a code, That's going to bring us to where I'm going to show you where to get these applications from. So the code is 72609. This is my fluoride code. And if you've been watching my videos, you realize I use this code a lot. So the code is 72609. Once you type in the code, you can click on go over here or go on just below the box over there. So whatever option you choose, we are going to go, just click on go. And once you click go, downloader is going to analyze the code and launch it, bringing us to this Linktree page created by someone. I'm not the owner of this page, please. I'm not the creator of this page. I'm just creating a video about the page. So as you go over here, you're going to see this page. It houses a couple of Play Stores or App Stores for your Android TV device and Fire Stick. So it is created by someone called Joe Maxwell. So as always, I just want to give the credit to Joe Maxwell. So here's a page. It has a couple of app stores with lots of different applications that you can install to your Android TV, your Fire Stick, or any device that is compatible. So here, as I see, there are like 12. You can take out your time to count them. I don't really have the time to count them, but let's just see. I think there are 10 or 12, if I'm not mistaken. Alright. Anyway, once you come over here, and trust me, if you're looking for any application, you are definitely going to see in any of these stores here. But nonetheless, we're interested in this third option that says DJ Jubimedia. Please, this third option is what we're interested in. But interested in the third option, don't make a mistake. That's why we're interested in this third option. Just click on it, DJ Jubimedia. Now, as you click on that third option, it's going to bring you to this index of apps. As you can see, these are categories of different applications. As you can see, there is tools, there is adults. There are lots of them. I'm going to read them out loud. But anyway, if you're looking for any category of application, I'm sure you're going to see something in one here. Now, let's just take for instance this tool. As you can see, there are different applications or tools here that you can use for your Android TV, TV box, or Google TV. Now, you need to always make sure to install the application that is at least the updated date is recent. As you can see, there's 2025. We just entered 2026. So 2025 is still recent. So always install applications that are up to date. Anyway, that's it. Let's return and let me show you how to install an application. It's simple. Just click on it once and it's just going to start downloading to your Android TV. Once it's done downloading, you get the install button and then you can go ahead and install. And as you are done installing, please delete the app file from your TV so to save space. That's it. Let's return home. So we're interested in live sports. So just go over here. There's a category that says live. That's it over here. If you click on it, the live option, you're going to see lots of applications on live that you are definitely going to be interested. Just click on it, you're going to see them for yourself. Unfortunately, I could not show you some of them, or I could not show you on this video. But if you follow the steps attentively as I've explained, and you go over here and click on it, you're definitely going to see applications there. And remember, install applications that are up to date. Anyway, that's it about this video. If you found it helpful, if you found it interesting, please do well to subscribe if you can. Okay, alright, I'll be so grateful you can subscribe to the channel and drop in the comment section if you want me to do something special for you. So that's it. See you in the next video.